Hello guys, today it's 10:38 p.m. and I'm hearing some weird sounds right now. Michael, do you hear these sounds?
Yeah.
That's fucking terrifying. I cannot even fucking tell if it's heavy traffic or not. Michael, I couldn't even fucking tell if it's heavy traffic. But the noise is calming down though. I'm not sure what the hell is going on. What the hell? This is not even a joke. It could be oh my god, it could be some sort of a machinery or something. It could be some sort of machinery.